Okay. Good morning, YouTube friends. Today is going to be another vlog style video. Excuse my head. I just had to condition my hair, so that's what's going on there. I had plans to go to the store, but my husband had to do some he has to do something for the church. So I'm in the house, but that's okay. I have a list of things to do, and I figured I would take you guys with me because I got a pretty good response on my last vlog video. So I have a list here of all the things I need to do, and I'm not gonna go through all of that. You guys will see. I do have a couple things that pertain to the business. That's my water bottle. But aside from the business, I do have some things I want to do in the house. And one thing that wasn't on my list, but I'm actually going to start with doing this instead, is I'm going to kind of straighten up in the house first. And I forgot to put I need to cook on there as well, because I have a few things that I was going to kind of like meal prep. So I may get to that, but if I don't get to all of that, I will put one of the items in the crock pot, some chicken. I'm going to make some enchiladas with that maybe tomorrow or the day after. But I wanted to start in our bedroom. I don't want to say that it stinks in the room, but it's just like I don't know, it's like a stuffiness in the room. So I wanted to light my diffuser, and I don't really want to open the windows because the heat has been really high lately. And I know like if I open them now, we'll be okay. I just have to close them before it gets too hot. But those windows are really hard to open and close. Well, they're easy to open, but they're hard to close. So I'm just gonna probably turn on the air early today, and just the fans are going, so I just kind of want to like make it not so stuffy in the house. So anyway, y'all gonna just come with me and we'll just kind of see what the day holds. So moving into the master bedroom, I just have a lot of decluttering to do. This has been bothering me for so long, so I'm just going to tackle it now. But I kind of wanted you guys to see the before of our bedroom because I do plan on doing a master bedroom makeover. And I'm so excited to do that because this furniture, I actually painted it white when I first started flipping, and I've come a long way since then. So it's really time for a refresh. So I'm at the drawing board. I'm coming up with my vision. So if you guys stick around, hopefully you guys will get a chance to see that soon. And then as far as our sheets, we do have comforters. We just choose not to use them in the summertime because my husband gets super hot. And I actually use a lot of blankets. You might have noticed them on the bed earlier. So that's that. So the last thing that I'm going to do in here is just wipe down the walls with some Lysol. This is a step that I like to take periodically throughout the year. I don't know if I've done this here recently, but I know I've done it outside of the bedroom. So I just wanted to kind of get it done in the bedroom. And now we're just going to move on to my crock pot chicken. So I like to use paprika. That's one of my favorites. Garlic salt, another one of my favorites. Garlic powder, pepper, and onion powder. And then I don't put any water in the pot or anything like that, and just put it on low for 8 hours. Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here and just check in real quick. A minute ago, I actually was like, I'm not gonna even vlog anymore, and I kind of just put the camera down because I don't like the way this thing looks on my head. But I'm trying to just press through it because this is my real life and I'm deep conditioning my hair. So I don't know, but we'll see if I have the courage to post this video. But so far I've cleaned up the room and I've started the chicken in the crock pot. So now I'm getting ready to go into my workshop and work on a mirror. So I'm painting it white. I'm doing this for my mother-in-law and I should have done it last week. So right now it's kind of priority. So I'm gonna try to knock that out today. It's nothing too major. I should be able to get it done. And then I had somebody just reach out to me about coming to pick up my new dresser and nightstand set. So we'll see. Yeah, so I'm about to click off so I can respond to their message and hopefully they come through because they just asked when can they come, and baby, you can come right now. So I gotta go. Hey, so I'm back from the store and I'm in the kitchen making French fries and chicken. Obviously, I'm not physically in the kitchen, but that's what's cooking in the background. So the guy that was interested in the set, he didn't reach out for another like hour and a half, and by that point I was already at the store. So I told him I just made it back home a few minutes ago and I still didn't hear anything back, but I still have high hopes for this set because it's getting a lot more interest than normally, whatever. So I do believe it'll be selling soon. What else was I gonna tell y'all? I was gonna tell you guys that it was freezing in Hobby Lobby, and I don't like that word, Hobby Lobby. Like, I think I need to take my time when I say it, but it was really cold in there, and it probably had something to do with the fact that I had just rinsed out my hair. Now my hair is not really done. I wasn't going to the store like that, so I just rinsed it out. But it's already like 1:30, and we do have Bible study today. Now our Bible study is like a phone call. It's like a prayer line call. A conference call. That's what I'm trying to say. So we don't have to like physically leave the house, but yeah, so that's in a few hours, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep vlogging or not. I may. It depends on how I feel because I'm losing momentum. But if I stop for today, I'll pick up tomorrow. I still have a few things, well, I have a lot of things left to do. So I just wanted to make sure that I checked in with you guys. I feel like this vlog is more scattered than the last one, and I like mine to like kind of tell a story, and I feel like that's not happening. So I just wanted to come in and like at least just kind of catch you guys up. So there's that, and I'll check you guys in the next clip. Peace. Okay, so I have my french fries going there, and I just made all of the potatoes that I had because they were starting to sprout, and I really don't like that. So I already ate a bunch. Here's like what's left of the plate. It was like a full plate. But I'm about to show you guys how this Home Hero knife set cuts like butter. So keep watching. Okay, need to wash my hands real quick, but here we go. So I'm gonna take these wings here. They're a little icy. Go with this one. I'll show y'all right now. First we're gonna cut this wing off. Boom. Wing tip is off. Boom. Flat and a drumstick, baby. And then I'm gonna rinse them off, season them up, and then we'll cook them. So. Boom. Can y'all even see? I don't even know. I'm trying that again. Run out of wings. I think y'all can see that. Okay. Cut the wing off. Flip it over. And cut like so. Bam. It's a funny looking drumstick, but you know, perfect looking flat. Okay. I'm sorry if you're vegetarian and this is disturbing to you. I should put like a warning, a disclaimer or something on the screen. But I'm a carnivore over here, so I'm sorry. And honestly, these knives have like, they're specific to whatever you cut. And I know I'm breaking the rules because I didn't like check to see if this is the right knife. So, but I kept the manual in case I ever want to check and find out. And then it also comes with a knife sharpener as well. Okay, last two wings. Then I'm gonna wash my hands. Then I'm gonna wash my meat. Then I'm gonna season my meat. And then when the french fries come out, we'll toss these in. And then we'll clean the kitchen. And that's all I'm doing today, okay? I think that's it. Boom, butter, baby. Butter.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all.
Good morning. So it's the next day, obviously, and I look different. That's because I changed my hair. I'll just put it that way. So I'm gonna go outside and try to take some pictures for my profile on Instagram and um, YouTube and all those things, my little avatar. And I look greasy because I put this on my face. I'm gonna try to take you guys with me. I'm still trying to figure it out in my head, but I know I'm gonna need my husband's phone. He's asleep right now, so I'm gonna go grab that and you guys can come inside the garage and do that with me. I know this video is, or this morning's intro is kind of weird. I'm just going with the flow. I had other things lined out for today, and I do plan on doing some other things, but I figured this would be kind of cool for you guys to see. And then just a disclaimer, because every time I see it in the background, it makes me mad. You see those things on the wall? They're upside down, and I need to turn them around. My husband put them up there like that, and long story short, they're upside down, okay? So I'm gonna fix that eventually. But yeah, let's go out to the workshop.
I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Okay, so I think I have a decent picture. So now I'm just gonna go outside and finish working on this mirror. I primed it yesterday, so I just need to paint it. And I think I'm gonna wrap up this video because it's getting pretty lengthy and I think you guys have seen enough. If I get another good response, I'll kind of try to make this a regular thing for you guys. So be sure to let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, it's okay. Just don't be mean, okay? And I really enjoy doing this because I feel like you guys get to see like where I've started, and I'm taking you guys really on the behind the scenes journey of entrepreneurship, because ideally I would be in the workshop working every single day, selling stuff and flipping stuff like 3 times as much as what I'm doing now. But you know, I can't just start like that. Like I have to work my way up. So once I get to a place where like everything is flowing, supplies and income and things like that, that's definitely the plan. But until then, this is kind of my life, and I'm just taking you guys along for the journey. So with that being said, I'm about to go outside, like I said, and work on this mirror, and then I'll continue editing, and then I'll probably get this posted either probably tomorrow or something.